move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no weather radio station.
Yeah!
You just got an alert from Bristol?
Yes, sir, I just did. They just issued an SVR for
It was for Sullivan.
Sullivan, Carter, Johnson, the city of Bristol, and Washington County. Yet that was off of WXK47, Bristol, Tennessee. Because I was on a call with. Oh, by the way, I should mention that I'm also on a call with SPC Mason 8798. I was on a call with him, and I just look over to GR level 3, and I see this orange polygon, and I thought, wait, what? When did that get issued? And I was like, oh shit, better go to channel 7 on my Sanjin. Sure enough, I caught it, the ending, along with the EOM tones. So, I finally got an alert for something.
That I just recorded an aerial flood warning.
Yeah.
And he got it
as soon as you got a flood warning, bunch of floods, I got an SVR. Yeet!
Yep. For where?
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Smith County in southwestern Virginia, Caswell County in southwestern Virginia, Bryan County in southwestern Virginia, Mercer County in southeastern West Virginia, until 11 at 10:31 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from courthouse near Caswell to near Allison Gap, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Wind gusts of 60 miles per hour were reported at the Tri-Cities Airport near Bristol, Tennessee within the last 30 minutes.
Oh, damn.
Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bluefield, Bland, Princeton, Caswell, and Cedar Bluff. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Timing of expected impacts is safe to do so. Please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. The following is a special weather statement.
Wow, I'm surprised the Sanjin actually decoded the tones because the signal is so bad. I'm surprised it decoded it. And it didn't decode it as a 6-hour event. Yeet! Another SVR, AJ. For Bland, Smith, Tazewell, Virginia, and Mercer, West Virginia. What did GSP issue now? A thunderstorm with... AJ, are you still there?
Yes.
I'm going to do it in the Paul voice, guys. Here is a special weather statement. A thunderstorm with torrential rainfall will impact northwestern McDowell, Madison, Mitchell, that's me! Northwestern Caldwell, Avery, northeastern Haywood, Buncombe, Yancey, and northwestern Burke counties until 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar was tracking a thunderstorm with torrential rainfall 4 miles south of Spruce Pine, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations to be impacted include downtown Asheville, Spruce Pine, Burnsville, Marshall, Newland, East Asheville, West Asheville, North Asheville, Woodfin, and Swannanoa. Wind gusts up to 45 miles per hour will be possible in these areas. The combination of gusty winds and saturated soil conditions will cause scattered trees and power lines to fall. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Well, that's just great news, isn't it? My Sanjin goes off for an SVR, and now I'm under an SPS. Oh, the SVR is all the way up there. Oh, I didn't expect Bristol to tone that, but they serve Tazewell County in Virginia, so what can you say? Look at that. Hey. Another SVR!
For where?
Oh my god!
National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Smith County in southwestern Virginia, with increase in southeast and southwestern Virginia until 11:45 p.m. At 10:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Corey to 7 miles southeast of Abingdon, moving east at 115 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Wind gusts to 60 miles per hour were reported in the Bristol area during the past 30 minutes with this line of storms. Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Saltville, Chilhowie, White Chalk, and Mouth of Wilson. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Timing of expected impacts is safe to do so.
What the
To the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter.
Whoa.
Tri-City.
AJ, did you just hear that last warning?
Yes, I heard it. I read it before.
Moving east at How?
That fast.
How in the name of God is it moving east at 115 miles an hour? It said 115. 115. 115. But it's 115. It's 115 miles an hour, not 115. Oh my God, I gotta calm down for a second. I just gotta think. Where the hell did they go wrong?